Hi everyone, in this video we see that how to turn off the open to work if I've already enabled in the LinkedIn. So to see that how we can disable it. So currently I'm in the home page of the LinkedIn. So just click on your profile page, and once your profile page is open, so here you can see that open to work section is there, and there is a pencil icon is there. So just click it. So in the job preference we have already set as the open to work related thing, so we just want to delete that. So just click here as a delete and confirm it. Now you can see that once it confirmed, then the open to work section is gone here. So like this, if you want to do that, so you can follow these steps. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see that how to set the open to work in the LinkedIn profile. So first go to your profile, and here's you can see a open to button is there. So just click here, and here you need to set as you are finding a new job. So just click here, and here you can set the job titles, locations, and everywhere. Let's say I'm adding the location as in India, and set a job title. Let's say I'm adding here as a lead. Let's say lead, and save it. And you want to show that whether it is a recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. So if you can do that, click on the all LinkedIn members and save it. So once you save it, so now you can see that it is enabled to open to work.